Good day, guys. You are welcome to another live video from FOREX. Please don't forget to always subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational video like this. It's all in the name of getting better as a trader, how to look at the chart properly and take advantage of it, and then take the right trades when the trades are set. So in this video I will quickly be explaining what I am looking at on this particular pair. This is Eurocad 4-hour chart. So I will be showing you exactly what you should be looking out for on this particular pair. So if you look at it from this area, you can see the buyers has been coming, buyers, sellers, buyers, buyers, sellers, buyer. Then the sellers from this area, boom, shooting back down all the way to the bottom area here, breaking this particular area of support, crash it down all the way to this area. Then from here we see the buyers trying again from this area. The sellers come back again, but the sellers couldn't make a new low, and if you look at it, it's a strong sell from this area, shooting back down all the way again, but it couldn't make a new low. So from the same area where the buyers are sitting from previously, the buyers come back again, boom, aggressively the buyers are coming to the top like that. So around the same area where the sellers are shooting from previously, we see the sellers coming in again this time around, but it couldn't go all the way, just like previously when the sellers come in again, then taking it all back down to the same area where the buyers are coming from. It couldn't go all the way. When it start to retrace from this area, it couldn't go all the way back to this area, to this bottom side. At about 50% or 40% of this move, then the buyers start to hold. So from this area, for the longest time, then we start to see that it started to range, going sideways, ranging at this particular, in between this top and the bottom that I've drawn at this area. Then it start to range. It's not going down, it's not going up. So at this particular point, we can all see that hey, it's just a sideways market all the way. It has not been able to give us a lower low or a higher high, telling us that this market is not in a trending mood. It's just in a just a market going sideways. So you cannot be looking to take a trade on this particular pair and be looking forward to taking it as a trend trader. You should be looking at it, okay, now that we know it's in a sideways, then how best do you approach it? So at this particular point, when it starts to go sideways at this area, but from this particular spot around this area, we can see that hey, the buyer come back again very aggressively, break this entire resistance area for the longest time, go all the way to the top. But what do you know, around this, at the same speed, it crash back almost immediately, boom, to the same area where the buyers started from previously. What does that tell you? It tells you that hey, this market that has been holding for the longest time try to break this time around and crash back almost immediately, telling us that somebody up here don't want price at this area. That is why you're having this massive rejection coming in at this almost at the same speed, telling us that hey, this price that go up to this side is not real. Somebody there pushing back down almost instantly at the same speed. So it's back to the same range, to the same area where it has been ranging for the longest time. And when I see the market try to make a higher high like that, then coming crash that back down almost immediately, it's telling me that see, this market still probably want to go mostly to the sell side. And then after this probe that we have up here now, you can see it started to range again. Now it's trying to go to make a new low right here, breaking this support, but it couldn't go. Now it give us another faker, which I already marked with this blue box it's a probe here, it's a fake. This price up here is not real. Then it give us another faker here. So with this faker here, now price coming back into this range, I'm not looking forward to taking any buy. Now that the price is back into the range, I'm looking forward to, like, okay, this probe that is coming up now to back into the range. When is the seller here? When is this little buyer that is coming back now, when is it going to die out, that I'm going to be taking advantage of it and taking the sell? So I'm looking at it that, okay, if price could push back to this area in the coming days, it will be the same area where the market has been holding for the longest time. It will be a good area for me to take the sell. And if I'm taking the sell, I'm not looking forward to stop here right now. I'm looking forward to taking it back to the previous area when the buy has been happening for quite some time now. So if I will be watching price action closely around this area now, in between this box, to see will it get back to this area again to give us the nice entry. This is my stop right here. This is the pending order entry that I've set, and I'm looking forward to taking it back all the way to this bottom area. But I will be watching for a price action to see, should in case price will be unable to get back to this area before the sell start, then I can take advantage of it and then join the sell. Because if you can see now on this 4-hour chart, you can see that hey, price is trying to go back into the range, while some people will be looking to hit the buy again and say, okay, price is back into the range. But that is incorrect way to look at it. We can see that this buyer that has been trying to go up is dying out. You will be doing yourself an injustice to try and thinking, okay, it's back to the range, then let me see if I can take another buy on this particular pair. It's a case of, when is this buy now, little mini buy going up now, when is it going to die out? Will it be able to get back to this resistance area at the top here before the sale starts, or will it die out? As we can see now, it seems like it's beginning to die out gradually now, or will it die out anywhere around this area, then for the sale to resume? So this is exactly how you want to simplify your chart without mumbling up your chart with any kind of indicators or whatever. You can easily look at the price action from the left to right, read it for what it's doing, and take your trade accordingly. So if you like exactly the way I've simplified and I've explaining it on this particular chart or on this particular video, please, once again guys, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's all in the name of we getting better as a trader, we getting to understand exactly how the market move properly. So I will be dropping videos like this from time to time. Please subscribe so that you can always be the first to see it, and don't forget to please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up. If you have a questions, please feel free to send in your questions. Let's see how we can help you. Let's see how we can get you to improve on your chart reading and then be a better trader that we can always be. Thank you guys. Cheers.